Welcome to a presentation on EIDL, Instructional Design for Online Learning. EIDL is the follow-up to the very successful TOP Teaching Online program, which won the First Place Technology and Education Award in 2009. While TOP focused on introducing best practices for teaching an online class, EIDL takes online instructors back to an empty course space. The EIDL experience focuses on building an effective online learning course from the ground up. The EIDL design team consisted of C.J. Bracken, J. Sargent Reynolds Community College; Ken Fairbanks, previously of Southwest Virginia Community College and now at Wytheville Community College; Kristen Mahaj, previously of Central Virginia Community College and now employed by Carillion Healthcare System; Joan Osborne, Lord Fairfax Community College; and Ruth Smith, Thomas Nelson Community College. Bracken, Fairbanks, and Smith brought their experience from creating TOP to bear on a collaboration which was ultimately very unique to the EIDL learning experience. The foundation for EIDL was built on two tools: the Assure model of instructional design and the Quality Matters program, a nationally recognized program and rubric for assessing the quality of online courses. The EIDL course was piloted in the summer of 2009, reaching over 75 faculty at 12 different community colleges. Those numbers have continued to grow. Now, let's take a look at EIDL, Instructional Design for Online Learning, a course that is continuing to have a substantial impact on faculty across the VCCS. Welcome to a web tour of EIDL, Instructional Design for Online Learning. This 10-week online course was developed to teach faculty the best practices for designing and developing an online course. The learner's first introduction to EIDL is found on the announcements page, where the learner is greeted by their instructor and directed to the Start Here page. After landing on the Start Here page, learners are instructed to read the syllabus, watch a video designed to expand their perception of the educational landscape, and then quickly transition into the Learning Units section of the EIDL course. Each learning unit begins with clearly stated learning objectives. There are readings, both required and optional, designed to enhance the learner's understanding of the unit's subject matter. The primary reading resources are Robert Mager's Preparing Instructional Objectives, Palloff and Pratt's Building Online Learning Communities, and Quality Matters rubric for online and hybrid courses. After completing the readings, learners move on to the assignments. Within the assignments and learning unit folders, learners will participate in a combination of discussion boards, hands-on activities, and simulations. There is also a course design project that learners work on throughout the 10-week course. The course design project's primary goal is for the learner to create a learning unit for a new or existing course that they plan to teach. The learning unit's development follows the Assure model and requires learners to meet 17 essential standards in 8 areas outlined in the Quality Matters rubric. 6 of the 8 learning units focus on individual tenets of the Assure model, as well as specific requirements of the course design project. The 6 activities set forth in the Assure model are: analyze learners, state objectives, select methods, media, and materials, utilize media and materials, require learner participation, and evaluate and revise. Another unit focuses on ADA compliance to assure course accessibility. And a final unit engages learners in writing a self-reflection paper that captures what they have learned during the EIDL experience. Learners will also describe how they will apply their new knowledge to transform the online courses they create. Learners who successfully complete EIDL receive a certificate from the Virginia Community College system and are added to a database of faculty certified to design online courses. This concludes the web tour of Instructional Design for Online Learning. Here are a few quotes that illustrate the tremendous impact of EIDL across the VCCS. The future of both TOP and EIDL will see the addition of a new course, Model, Multimedia for Online Distance and E-Learning. This new course is currently being designed and will be piloted in the summer of 2010. Both TOP and EIDL are recognized by Old Dominion University. ODU offers TOP and EIDL graduates the opportunity to receive graduate or doctoral credit for successfully completing these courses. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about EIDL, Instructional Design for Online Learning. If you are interested in taking TOP or EIDL, contact your college's Distance Learning Office for upcoming offerings.